Hey guys, today let's learn how to create Add Yours template on Instagram. So if you guys are wondering how to create your own Add Yours template over on the Instagram application, what we need to do first is to launch the Instagram application, and then from here, proceed with tapping on your stories option. And then what I want you guys to do next is to proceed with choosing a specific photo that you'd like to go ahead and use. And once we're already here, I want you to proceed with tapping on the stickers option, and you're going to have this Add Yours templates right here. And I want you to tap on that, and basically you could go ahead and proceed with creating a template. So from here, you could go ahead and place this Add Yours sticker anywhere you'd like, and you could also go ahead and add some elements if you'd like. So all we need to do is to just go ahead and just tap on this option. You could also proceed with tapping on the dice option to proceed with basically entering a template that has already been done and been done by the Instagram application. So from here, I'm going to go and just go with the blank one, tap on next, and then from here, I could now go ahead and just add some texts if I'd like to. So what we need to basically do from here is to tap on our screens to pin some elements if we'd like. You could also add some text stickers to your template, and anyone can join if it is pinned. So from here, once you have your template already done, we're going to proceed with tapping on next and sharing this onto our story. Now it's that easy, guys, to proceed with creating our own Add Yours template on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.